Yohoi, it's Joseph Glitch. Welcome to Abian's Adventures.
Don't like the sound. Yes, I hear. I don't know what to do about it, though. No. Fight the spiders. Come on, everyone together, everyone together. Come on, everyone together. That was terrifying. Oh, what happened to my roll? Oh no, how did I end up so hungry? Let's see if there's any meat down here. Honestly. No meat. Alright. I mean, I can... get the... rabbit. Good. Actually, wait, let's see how much more did I need in there? Yeah, just one more. Put them in there and cook it. Two. Put this one like right here. And yes, I know I'm super hungry. So it's gonna be okay. Because I have all these traps that I was smart enough to make. I do need to, How do I reignite my campfire, guys? Think I've got 4 rabbits again? Oh, I've got so many rabbits. I don't even gotta worry, guys. We're doing great. Alright, oh, that's how to do it, okay. Let's chop down another tree. Okay, let's make a tool then. Also, it's thundering outside and it's thundering in game, so I'm so immersed in this. This is amazing. Oh, my friend's messaging me. I'm gonna pause this, I'll be right back, okay? It's just my friend being amazingly amazing and beautiful, so, we're gonna continue on. No one ever helped me as much as I like. I'm gonna put it over here where there's loads of rabbits. Because where I live is like rabbit central. Oh no. Alright, let's put one log in there. And then let's, where my sleeping tube go? I wonder if I can make a weapon out of it. I bet I can make a weapon out of it. Tooth trap. I just need a piece of rope. Okay, now I got a tooth trap. Use an alchemy engine to... I can't use it yet. Okay, fine. Oh, berries! I'm out of jelly eggs. They were yummy. I get some proper licorice one these days. Somebody's texting me. I probably ought to... see what it is. I need to make some more traps. For the rabbit bonanza over here. Okay, put one trap right here. And one trap's gonna go, right here. Oops. Gonna go right here. Oh, and I have another one. That one's gonna go right here. Okay, bunny buns. Prepare to die. That's what you're good for. It's 2 o'clock. I'm probably gonna have to go. Today is going awesome though. Let's, yeah, we got that. We just need these little, 1 and 2. We can cook that. Alright, so we're doing great. I'm gonna leave this video here, even though we're there in the middle of the day. Because, I gotta go, but I will see you guys again soon. We are doing great. So, see you next time. Hi guys, thanks again for watching. Please remember, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe for more. If you want to follow my social medias to see some behind the scenes, or answer some polls of what video I should do next, I have a Twitter and a Tumblr right here. I will be opening up an Instagram later this year. Please consider donating to my Patreon to help make more awesome content. This would go towards a better editor and things that would just make this channel work better. Better camera, better lighting, that kind of stuff. Special thanks to my lovely supporter Blizzard. You're amazing, and thank you for everything that you do every day to support me in making this awesome content.